Hee. And what was the name of your place?
Where I graduated?
Yeah.
I went to school in Mississippi. I was just living in South Carolina.
Oh.
And I landed there.
Aha.
By the grace of God and of course family. You know how that stuff goes.
Mm-hmm.
But I love South Carolina. I just love living
Well, it's very mild.
there. Yeah.
And summers, especially, like, I liked late summer a lot. August, I guess I'm calling late, because by September we thought it was fall. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the afternoon thunderstorm in August. It seemed like they happened a lot, and I really loved them because they felt good. You know? Yeah, I just liked rain, I think.
Well, I moved to South Carolina from Louisiana, and the first thing I loved was the fact that we had actually 4 seasons. And some snow.
Oh yeah, if you were upstate, you do see the occasional snow, right?
But you know, actually, as the years I lived there went by, we got less and less.
Huh.
I mean, I can remember the first year I lived there, I think we got about 4 snows. I mean, you're not talking about
Okay.
massive. And when I left, if you got one little bitty, itsy teensy drop of ice, by the time the first week of February got there, you weren't going to get anything. So,
right.
the weather pattern definitely did change.
I only remember the one really good snow. I was grown, so I guess I was 18-ish. Probably my first year in the military, I was at Charleston, which is way south for a snow. And there was seemed like nearly a foot.
How you doing?
I probably, in my mind, it probably seemed like a foot, even if it was only more like 6 inches.
In your mind, that's all.
Yeah, but I went out walking in it at night, got dressed up, and went out walking around in the snow at night. Had to. It was cool. See what I'm saying? How this is such a popular spot. Which is interesting too. Nope. Hello. Yeah. Louisiana. Muggy.
Some truth to that, but we only had 2 seasons. Hot and warm. However, I will say one thing.